Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to download large files from Google Drive. So, let's dive right in! Open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive website at drive.google.com. The link is provided in the description. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already. Once you're in your Google Drive, locate the file you want to download. You can browse through your folders or use the search bar at the top to find the file quickly. Click on the file once to select it. You'll notice the file becomes highlighted in blue. Now, look up at the menu bar near the top of your browser window. Here, you will find the download icon represented as a downward arrow. Simply click on this icon to download this file. This will instruct Google Drive to start downloading the file to your computer. If someone shares different files with you and you want to download an entire folder of different files, then follow these steps. Open the desired folder you want to download. Then, click on the name of the folder at the top. From the drop-down menu, select the Download option. And that's it. Downloading large files from Google Drive is that simple. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.